Here is the proof for that one liberal ding-dong you may know that thinks we don't need more than one round in a gun, or that we don't need high-capacity rounds for guns. This took place in San Juan, California. And if you'll notice, once they back that vehicle through the front, just like they've done to all the gun shops here in Tennessee, you got a group of smash and crash guys that come through. If you'd started popping off rounds as soon as those guys turned the corner, you would not have had the issue with them continuing to come in. I don't know how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, maybe 18 or 19. And if you saw him push that older gentleman out of the way, he's 88 years old. And right after they pushed him out of the way, he had a stroke. He's unable to speak now. And look, this type of thing happens on a more regular basis than you would think it does. Yes, you definitely need high capacity rounds. So that video ought to make you sick to your stomach. We have people come in our gun shop all the time that talk about things that have happened to them, and if they had not had a gun, how their life might have been in danger. I'm going to show you a video next week that's very similar to a lady that had a revolver and had some assailants break into her house. Thank God she knew what she was doing. So the statistics are not on the side of those who think you don't need high-capacity rounds or high-capacity magazines in a gun. 80% of gunfights, 80% of them, only have 3 rounds or less fired. The average is 3 rounds, right? 3 rounds. That's the average. There's another 20% of gunfights that take a lot more than the average. Don't let some whiny, crybaby, sniffling liberal tell you that you don't need more rounds in your gun. You are putting yourself and your family at risk if you buy a gun that's got low capacity. Hope this helps. Hey, share this. I mean, this is undeniable. Look at the video. It's undeniable that sometimes you need high capacity rounds and you need to know how to use them. Please like and subscribe.